This rotary hammer will be replacing this, the very first brushless rotary hammer. We've had this for 5 years, DCH293B. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. Excited to unbox this for you. We're going to test this out. This is 1 1/8 SDS Plus rotary hammer by DEWALT. Model number DCH293R2. All right, guys, what we're going to do is super simple. We're going to quickly talk about the specs of this little beast. We're going to unbox it, show you what's included with this kit. This kit here includes 2 6-amp batteries and a fast charger. Of course, DEWALT offers the tool only. This unit has an E-clutch, optimal drilling in concrete 5/8 to 7/8, no load speed 0 to 1000 RPM, 4,480 beats per minute. Yes on chipping. This unit is about 14 inches in length and weighs about 8 pounds without a battery, tool only. Let's unbox. Very nice hard case for the unit. And here it is. Fast charger, 2 6-amp batteries, SDS Plus, rotary hammer, 3 modes: chipping, drilling with hammer mode, drilling, brushless motor, about 8 pounds, not a heavy unit. Let's see how it sounds. We're gonna use it mostly for chipping. Obviously, we do bathroom remodeling. This unit will chip out old tile floors as well as floated showers typically. Quiet unit. Let's go outside. See how this performs with chipping and drilling. Now, real quick, guys, before we head on outside, if you want to support my channel, buy yourself a shirt, hat, mug, link in the description below on my online store. Keep calm, tile on it, we can't do that. Smash the like button, it really does help. Let's go outside. Now, I understand block is soft, but without a problem, did not bog down, lots of power. I'll do more of a comprehensive review, part 2, on some hard concrete, but let's move on to some chipping. Quartz top. Well, there you have it, guys. A lot of power, not the hardest of materials. It is a good unit. 3 different options: hammer, hammer drill, drill. I'm sure you can get a lot of use with these 6-amp batteries as well. I love it. Can't wait to use it on one of our shower remodels for a tear out, as well as demo a bathroom floor tiled. So there you guys have it. Link will be down there if you want to check this out. Well, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Tap the bell icon right down there to get notified for future Tile Tool Tuesday videos. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.